tiny Bibu. Good morning, friends. It's Bibu.
Guess what? Today, Bibu is going on a big, super amazing adventure. But wait, how do we get there? There are so many ways to travel. Can you help, Bibu? Let's go. First, let's go by car. A car has 4 wheels.
1, 2, 3, 4. You sit inside and buckle up. That's the first friend. Vroom, vroom. The car goes on the road and street. Can you say car? Next stop, the train. Choo choo.
A train has many carriages, like a long, long snake. Trains run on special tracks, like 2 long lines on the ground. They go really fast and carry lots of people. Say it with Bibu. Train.
Wow, amazing friends. Whoa, look up, look up. It's an airplane. They have big wings, just like a bird.
Airplanes fly high up in the sky, even higher than the clouds. You can travel very far in an airplane, even to other countries. Can you say airplane? Splash! Now we're at the ocean. Big boats are called ships. They carry people and things. Boats use their engine, or sometimes the one with big sails.
Say it boat. B-O-A-T.
Wonderful! Bibu is so proud of you. We made it! Bibu arrived. So did you. Today, we learned so many ways to travel. Car, train, airplane, boat. Which one is your favorite? Tell Bibu in the comments. If you had fun, give Bibu a big thumbs up. And subscribe to Tiny Bibu so you never miss an adventure. Bye bye friends, see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.